Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today's topic is, if God is equated to all of existence. The grandfather of the reciprocal system, Professor Samuel Alexander, made the statement in his masterwork, Space, Time, and Deity, page 358 in Book 4, that, quote, God's body, being the whole of space-time, is omnipresent and eternal. The, quote, whole of space-time is our physical universe, or possibly a few other universes in a multiverse. What Alexander did not grasp, however, but Dewey B. Larson did, and Dewey Larson was my theoretical physics and theoretical economics mentor, is that existence is comprised of two realms, not just one. The physical realm and the non-physical realm. If the physical realm is the, quote, body of God, then the non-physical realm must be the mind of God. This concept is a far cry from the silly anthropomorphic concepts of past theologians. Whereas the physical realm is discretized into space-time units, the non-physical realm is discretized into non-space-time units. And what I mean by that, it simply means that space and time are not properties of the non-physical units. Rational, ethical human individuals here and around the universe have a unit from the non-physical realm which can override the, quote, bad impulses of our biological aspects. Samuel Alexander said that we, quote, enjoy our mind and, quote, contemplate our body. Extrapolating from this, we can say that God enjoys his mind, i.e., the non-physical realm, and contemplates his body, the physical realm. Given that both realms are so huge, it's not possible to get bored. All right, that was quick. That does it for today. For the simplest possible treatment of the reciprocal system of theory, please obtain my work, The Unmysterious Universe. It has all the concepts, numerous diagrams, makes it really easy to understand the theory. Now, if you do want all the mathematics of the theory, please obtain my magnum opus, Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. This work is 711 pages in the PDF file, 711 slides in the PowerPoint file. Thousands and thousands of equations, diagrams, figures, tables, you name it, covers all the major topics of physical science. Once you get through with that work, which will take you quite a few months, you can obtain my two database modules, the Reciprocal System Microcosmos database and the Reciprocal System Macrocosmos database. The Reciprocal System Microcosmos database has the calculations for all the properties of matter, including photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, and alloys, both material and cosmic. Includes a great graphing package as well. The Reciprocal System Macrocosmos database has the calculations and properties for all astrophysical objects, including the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters and groups, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, nebulae and dust clouds, and voids. This module also includes a great graphing package. Like my mentor, Dewey Larson, I've also worked in theoretical economics. My work, Theory of Microeconomics and Macroeconomics, Larsonian Econophysics, or I should say an implementation of Larsonian Econophysics, explains how our economic system actually works with real equations. It includes microeconomics of individuals, businesses, business sectors, and macroeconomics of entire countries and regions. Completely supersedes Keynesian economics. Recently, TransPower Corporation, which sells all of my work, has reduced its prices. They're very low right now. Most Downloadable software programs are now just $95. That includes the 2 database modules. Existence Interactions is $33, and the Unmistreated Universe is only $9.50. So please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. Thanks for your attention.